Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this video in which we'll talk about the PHA, the FA token or Phala network. We'll just call it Phala in this in this video, which yesterday, and that's the main reason why I wanted to cover it, main reason, not the only reason. Yesterday we were very bullish. We were up like 30% at our high. Now only up 6.8% against a market that's still pretty strong. The market today is, to say the least, a little bit bearish. But yeah, Phala has been doing well. I think it was a little bit manipulated though, as you can see from these moves. I mean, 5 million in 5 minutes. That's usually whales or some sort of manipulation going on, but most of the volume is coming from credible sources. So, and Phala network is, and sometimes people forget that, but Phala network is a great project, and they have had some great developments lately with the Fed contract. But this move just seems manipulated. I mean, if you take a look at the charts, it looks even more manipulated. And Phala network, unfortunately, after that initial manipulation, the 14th of October and the 15th, has had spikes like these more often. I mean, you can see that it has these spikes quite a lot. Sometimes they're bigger, sometimes they're smaller, but they keep having these spikes, which is, well, you could also see it as a bullish thing, to be honest. But I prefer not to see it, because it really does kind of it does change the reputation quite a bit of the project behind it. And Phala network is a legit project. It's a good project. All right, so I would definitely recommend you to check them out if you're only trading it. But for now, as I said, volume is still great, but if we take a look at it technically, which is obviously one of the reasons why we're here, you can see that we're technically still bullish, because the resistance level we were struggling with, around 15 cents, is the level we've broken above, which is quite ironic, because we got all the way up to this level right here, around 17.5 cents, shot up to this 0.5 pip around 19 cents, did not find support anywhere between 17 and 17.5 cents, and still we're bullish, even though we had a lot of bearish confirmations. And so now the big thing is it's Phala. All right, you can never really say that we're not going to be able to get a new wave up. So I'll tell you how we can actually know that we'll have a wave up. And the main thing is that we need to stay on top of 15 cents. And I do kind of expect that. I expect us to stay on top of 15 cents at least initially. And then, and that's really going to be the most difficult part, if we really want to get to our next price target, which I would identify as between 20.5 and 21.5 cents, what we would need to do is we would need to stay on top of 15 cents and then at some point break above 17 cents. Preferably even breaking above 17.5 cents, but I would argue that breaking above 17 cents is enough. If we can do that, actually break above that and then find support at it, because like this is not really a break, it's just a fake out. If we can do that, then we're actually going up to that level. Now, do I think that's realistic? Yes, I think a lot of things are realistic. Do I think it's the most likely scenario? No. Usually if Phala has moves like these, spikes like these, usually we will fall back down. So that's also why I expect, I mean, right now the market is quite bullish, so I do think 15 cents could actually hold for a little bit longer. But I think we'll just consolidate here, and I even think that we'll drop down a little bit lower towards 14.5 cents and just consolidate here until we get the next spike. So yeah, as I said, Phala network, long term, great project. It's a legit project, but short term, I would say a consolidation is a little bit more likely than another rally, but another rally is definitely not impossible. So that's my full analysis on Phala for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.